So today topic is kaleidoscope. So how will you make kaleidoscope and what is the use of kaleidoscope? So how can you make kaleidoscope? You required 3 rectangular mirror strips. So you require 3 mirrors. And what is the length of this mirror? 15 centimeter length and 4 centimeter width. So for making a kaleidoscope, you require 3 mirrors of length 15 centimeter and width 4 centimeter. Join them together to form a prism. So you join all these mirror strips. So this is our mirror strips. This is first mirror and this is second mirror. On the base there is a third mirror. So with the help of these mirrors, you will make a prism. So this will we will make these prism with the help of these 3 plane mirrors. Fix this arrangement of mirror in a circular cardboard tube or a tube of thick chart paper. So we will take a chart paper and we will make a tube. This is tube made up of chart paper. And you will put these prism into these cardboard box. So firstly, we will make a cardboard box and then we will add the cardboard box. So you have to remember the tube is slightly longer than the mirror strips. So if you are making the cardboard tube, if you are making the cardboard tube, its length should be greater than the length of the mirror strips. And then close one end of the tube by a cardboard disc having a hole in the center. So in one end, take a cardboard disc and cover it in the first end with the hole. So cover its first end with the hole. To make the disc durable, paste a piece of transparent plastic sheet under the cardboard. So how can you make a kaleidoscope? I will show with the help of these experiments. How can you make these kaleidoscope? So this is a procedure for making kaleidoscope. So firstly, we will take on the first step, what we have taken. We take these cardboard box. Firstly, they are mirror strips. These are mirror strips. These are mirror strips. These are rectangular mirror strips. And then we will make a prism. This is our prism made up of mirror strips. And after these, what is the procedure? After these, we will make a tube. This is tube. The third, it is a tube. And it is made up of cardboard box. So we will make a cardboard, with the help of cardboard box, we will make a tube. This is tube made up of cardboard. And then put these prism into these cardboard box, this cardboard tube. Then put all these prism in this cardboard tube. Then we will take another cardboard as shown in the figure. This is our cardboard. and then we will make a whole. Then we will make a circle. These are circles made from the cardboard. Then we will cut a circle, and then we will make a hole in the circle. Then we will make a hole in the circle, and then we will put the circle on the top of this tube. This is our cardboard box. This is our cardboard circle, and with the hole. This is hole. And you can take a transparent glass sheet to cover this hole. Suppose ये kaleidoscope बन गया हमारा. अब इसको जहां इस कार्डबोर्ड जो हमारा सर्कल है इसके नीचे ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट लगा देंगे ताकि इसके अंदर डस्ट ना जा पाए. So you can use transparent glass sheet to cover this hole. And then we will take a plastic sheet. Then we will take these glass, and we will put small pieces of bangles in this glass, and in the end we will attach these glass at the end. In this way we cover all these ends. Now your kaleidoscope is ready. And when we look through these holes, the colorful pattern is seen in the kaleidoscope. So these colorful pattern will be seen in this kaleidoscope. So how can you make kaleidoscope? So first step is we will take 3 mirror strips. Firstly, we will take 3 mirror strips as shown in the figure. Then we will attach these mirror strips to form a prism. Then after these, we will take a metal tube. Then we will take a tube made up of cardboard box. And then we will put these material into these cardboard box or these cardboard tube. After these, we will make a hole. We will make a circle cut from the cardboard, and then we will do a hole. And then we will attach these cardboard on the top. On the top, we will attach these cardboard. And we can cover this hole with the transparent sheet. With the help of transparent sheet, we can cover this hole. Now, at the end, we will take a glass. This is our glass, and we will add some small pieces of bangles, and then we will attach with the end. Then colorful pattern is seen this kaleidoscope. So kaleidoscope कैसे बनाना है पहले हमने क्या करना है, मिरर स्ट्रिप्स लेनी है 3, उसको हमने प्रिज्म की फॉर्म में इसको अटैच करना है. ये फर्स्ट शीट, दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट शीट, सेकंड मिरर और बेस पे थर्ड मिरर. ये हमारा प्रिज्म बन गया. प्रिज्म बनने के बाद हमने कार्डबोर्ड की ट्यूब ली है, कार्डबोर्ड की ट्यूब बनानी है, और इस हमारा जो प्रिज्म है इसको हमने क्या करना है, इस प्रिज्म को हमने क्या करना है, इसके साथ अटैच करना है. सो वी विल पुट दिस, ये जो भी हमारा बना हुआ है प्रिज्म, इसको हमने किस में डालना है, कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स में. हमने इस कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स में इसको प्रिज्म को डालना है, और एक और कार्डबोर्ड लेना है, वहां से हमने एक होल यहाँ से हमने एक सर्कल कट करना है. सर्कल कट करके इसके बीच में एक होल डालना है, होल करना है, और उसको हमने टॉप पे पेस्ट कर देंगे. अब इस होल को कवर करने के लिए इसके नीचे हम ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट भी लगा सकते हैं ताकि इसके अंदर डस्ट ना जाए. और एंड में हमने क्या करना है, एक ग्लास लेना है, ग्लास लेके इस ग्लास के अंदर बैंगल्स के स्मॉल स्मॉल पीसेस डालने हैं और नीचे अटैच कर देना है। और जैसे ही हम ऊपर से इसको देखेंगे, ऊपर से देखने से इसके अंदर हमें क्या नजर आएगा, कलरफुल पैटर्न। सो दिस कलरफुल पैटर्न इज सीन थ्रू दिस kaleidoscope. So this is the construction of our kaleidoscope. So how these kaleidoscope, how can you make these kaleidoscope? You can make these kaleidoscope with the help of plane mirrors. So you can make these kaleidoscope with the help of plane mirrors. Firstly, we will take 3 mirror strips of length 15 centimeter long and 4 centimeter width. Then we will make a prism as shown in the figure. Then we will fix this arrangement of mirror in a circular cardboard box. We will put all these mirror in the cardboard box. Now close one end of the cardboard by the circular cardboard disc. This is our cardboard disc. This is our cardboard disc, and we will cover these with the help of cardboard disc with the hole. And now to make the disc durable, paste a piece of transparent plastic sheet under the cardboard. Under this cardboard, you can take a plastic sheet and at the another end, touching the mirror. Now in the end, you can take a circular plain glass plate and then you put small pieces of colored glass. Then this kaleidoscope is ready. Now this kaleidoscope is ready. So close this and on the top it is covered with metal disc. This is covered with the cardboard disc. First end is covered with cardboard disc, and at the end it is covered with the colorful glass. So firstly we will take 3 mirrors, and with the help of 3 mirrors we make a prism. Then we will put these prism into these sheet, cardboard sheet, and after these you can cover top with the help of cardboard sheet or cardboard box sheet, and then with the small hole, and in the end it is covered with glass with colorful glass plate with the colorful bangles. Then your kaleidoscope is ready. And where we use kaleidoscope? So designers of wallpapers and fabrics and artists to get an idea for new pattern. Suppose you want to get new pattern, so designer use these kaleidoscope to see the wallpapers and fabrics, and also artists they use kaleidoscope to get new pattern. So where we use a kaleidoscope to get a new pattern, to get new wallpapers, to get design of fabrics, you use these kaleidoscope. So if you can make these kaleidoscope attractive, you can wrap these kaleidoscope in this colorful paper. So you can wrap in the colorful paper. If you want to make your kaleidoscope very attractive, you can cover these kaleidoscope. You can cover these kaleidoscope in colored paper. So you can cover it with the help of colored paper. So if you want to make these kaleidoscope very attractive, You can wrap these kaleidoscope with the help of colored paper. So again, I am repeating, how can you make kaleidoscope? So for making kaleidoscope, so how can you make these kaleidoscope? Which things are required? So first is 3 mirror strips are required, and then you join these mirror strips with in the shape of prism. In the shape of prism, you join all these mirrors. These are mirrors. These are mirror strips, and you will make prism with the help of these mirror strips. And what is the length of these mirror strip? And what is the breadth of this mirror strip? So you have to remember which length is taken and which breadth is taken. Then your prism is ready, and then wrap these prism. So you wrap these prism in the cardboard. These are cardboard. These are cardboard glass. These are cardboard, and you put these cardboard. You put these prism. So you put these all prism in this cardboard tube. So this is cardboard tube. You put all these prism in this cardboard tube. Next step is take the cardboard. This is our cardboard, and then we will cut a circle. This is our circle cut from the cardboard piece. This is a circle cut from the cardboard piece. Then we will make a small hole. Then we will make a small hole in the cardboard box. Now, what is the another step? Then you will put these cardboard sheet on the top of these tube. On the top of these tube, you put these cardboard circle with a small hole, and you can cover these cardboard sheet with a transparent sheet. You can cover these with the help of transparent sheet such that the dust may not enter into this kaleidoscope. And then top is covered, then top end is covered with this, and on the end take a plate, then take a glass and add small pieces of bangles, then add small pieces of bangle, and then we will attach it with the end. Now your kaleidoscope is ready. And what is the pattern seeing in this kaleidoscope? These beautiful pattern. So this beautiful pattern is seen, this beautiful pattern is seen in this kaleidoscope. So you have to remember how can you make kaleidoscope and where we use kaleidoscope to get beautiful pattern. So to get new idea. Artists use kaleidoscope to get new idea pattern, new patterns, and to get new wallpapers design, to get new fabric design. And how can you make your kaleidoscope attractive? How can you make attractive? How can you make it attractive? How can you make it attractive? Wrap the kaleidoscope, wrap the kaleidoscope in a colorful paper. How can you make it attractive? Wrap these kaleidoscope in colorful paper. So next is activity 16.7. So what is the 16.7 activity? As we know, when suppose it is our sun, It is our sunlight. Is the color of sunlight is white or not, or a mix of colors? So it is a combination of color. So sunlight is a mixture of 7 colors. Then we will prove this with the help of activity 16.7. As we know, sunlight is not white. It is mixture of 7 colors. And what are 7 colors? Vibgyor, Vibgyor, Vibgyor. V means violet, I means indigo, and B means blue, G means green, Y means yellow, O means orange, R means red. So it is combination of 7 colors. So white light is made up of 7 colors. So we will do this activity as shown in the figure. It is our activity. So this is the activity to show how white light is divided into 7 colors. So how will you prove? So firstly, we will take a bowl. This is our bowl, and we will add some water. Then we will add some water into the bowl. And after this, we will put the mirror. This is our mirror. So this is our mirror. This is our plane mirror. So after this, what are we are doing? Suppose the sunlight is coming. Suppose this is our sunlight, and how this sunlight goes? Suppose this is the sunlight goes and it strikes on this bowl, and in the bowl, suppose in the bowl, the sunlight goes, and in the bowl there is mirror, and mirror reflects the light. So mirror reflects the light back. So mirror reflects the light back, and on the wall, you use a white sheet of paper to obtain pattern. When this light goes and it strikes the mirror, and after striking the mirror, a 7 color is obtained on this white sheet. On the white sheet, you get 7 colors. You obtain 7 colors. So this shows that the white light is a mixture of 7 colors. So this shows that white light is a mixture of 7 colors. So how can you show that it is a mixture of 7 colors? What is the experiment? Firstly, you take, हम क्या लेंगे? एक बाउल लेंगे. बाउल में हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? वाटर. और उसके बाद हम क्या रखेंगे? उसके अंदर हम क्या रखेंगे? मिरर. इसके बाद हम मिरर रखेंगे. उसके बाद यहाँ से सनलाइट आएगी. सनलाइट मिरर के ऊपर इंसिडेंट होगी. उसके बाद रिफ्लेक्ट करके यहाँ पे हमें पैटर्न नजर आएगा, और यहाँ पे हमें कैसे कलर्स नजर आएंगे? 7 colors. So 7 colors is obtained. तो आई हमारे पास व्हाइट लाइट, और जा रही है पैटर्न हमें कितने नजर आ रहे हैं? 7 colors. So these proves that white light is a mixture of 7 colors. So white light is a mixture of 7 colors, and this phenomena is called dispersion of light. When suppose this is our sunlight, it will divide into 7 colors. If we divide into 7 colors, and this phenomena is called dispersion of light. So splitting of light into different colors is called dispersion of light. So what do you mean by dispersion of light? When white light divides into 7 colors, then this is called dispersion of light. So what do you mean by dispersion of light? So dispersion of light is the splitting of white light into 7 colors. So now you will read the activity 16.7. So which things are required? Get a plain mirror of suitable size. Firstly, we will take a bowl and then we will add a mirror and then we will fill it into the water. Firstly, we will take a bowl. Firstly, we will take a bowl and then we will add water and then you put mirror. Then you put mirror and put these arrangement near a window. So you put all these near window in a such a way that direct sunlight falls on the mirror. You put all these bowl in the near the window such that our sunlight goes directly into the mirror and adjust the position of the bowl so that our reflected ray from the mirror falls on the wall. Suppose there is bowl and the bowl there is a water and mirror. So you put all these in the sunlight, in the sunlight, or you can take it near the window. And then these light from the mirror falls on the wall. If the wall is not white, suppose this wall is not white, this wall is not white, then you can use the white paper. So you can use the white paper if the wall is not white. Then because of these light, you can see many colors. And how can you see these many colors? And what is the phenomena going on? Suppose this is our figure, and how when this sunlight goes into the bowl, in the bowl there is water and this is also mirror. And mirror and water, these works as prism. So these works as prism. Water और mirror का जो combination है वो किसकी तरह काम करता है? Prism. और prism क्या करता है? जो sunlight आती है white light को, it divides into 7 colors. 7 colors में divide कर देता है. और white sheet में हमें क्या pattern नजर आ रहा है? A beautiful pattern of 7 colors. So we obtain 7 colors. So what do you mean by prism? This is our prism. So this is our prism and this is our prism triangle shape. When white light enters into prism, it divides into 7 colors. It divides into 7 colors. And what are 7 colors? Vibgyor. 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 So white light is divided into 7 colors and it is Vibgyor. So this is called dispersion of light. So this is called dispersion of light. When white light divides into 7 colors, it is called dispersion of light. So next topic is what is inside our eyes. We see things only when light coming from enters our eyes. So which organ help us to see everything? It is light and it is our eyes. Eyes and light help us to see objects around us. So what is the shape of eye? So it is spherical shape. It has spherical shape. So eye has spherical shape. And outer coat of the eye is white and it is tough and it is protect the interior of the eye from the accident. So this is our human eye. So this is our human eye and how it works and what are the parts of human eye. So outer part of the eye. So outer part, this is outer part. This is outer part of the eye is called cornea. The outer part of the eye is cornea. Next is the lens. This is lens and this is convex lens. This is convex lens. This is our convex lens. And next is the screen on which image is obtained. It is called retina. It is called retina. And cornea, after the cornea, it is iris, it is iris. And the center of the iris is called pupil. And the muscle attached with these are called ciliary muscles. So I will show what is the human eye. Suppose it is our human eye. Outer part is called cornea. This is our cornea. This is our cornea. The outer part of the eye is called cornea. And after this, iris. After this, iris. And on the center of the iris, on the center of the iris, it is called pupil. This is the center of the iris. It is called pupil. It is called pupil. And after this, the lens used is convex lens. This is our convex lens. And this thickness is controlled by the muscles, and these muscles are called ciliary muscles. So these muscles are called ciliary muscles. And the screen on which the image is obtained, it is called retina. And on the retina, it has two cells. First is rod cell, second is cone cell. So first is rod cell and second is cone cell. So I will show again. This is our human eye. Front part of the eye is called cornea. Front part of the eye is called cornea. So next is iris. This is our iris. This is our iris. And center of the iris is called pupil. So this is our pupil. This is our pupil. The center of the iris is called pupil. So next is our convex lens. So suppose this is our human eye and this is cornea. And after cornea, there is iris, and in the center it has pupil. It is pupil. And after these pupil, there is a lens. This lens is convex lens. This lens is called convex lens. And the muscle attached to these lens are called ciliary muscles. So muscles which are attached to these lens are called ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles. So ciliary muscles is attached, and on the screen on which the image is obtained, it is called retina. So it is called retina. So it is our human eye. And retina is made up of two cells. First is rod cell. Second is cone cell. So it is made up of two types of cell. First is rod cell. Second is cone cell. So front part of the eye is called cornea, and behind the cornea there is a dark muscular structure and it is called iris. And in the iris, the center of the iris is called pupil. And the size of the pupil, it is controlled by the iris. Iris is that part of the eye which gives it its distinctive color. When we say that a person has green eyes, we refer actually the color of iris. कहीं persons की green eyes होती हैं. Green eyes means तो iris का color है उसका green है. अगर किसी की blue eyes हैं तो उसका iris का color क्या है? Blue है. So what is the color of eye? It is the color of iris. And the iris controls the amount of light entering into the eye. So what is the purpose of these iris? To control the amount of light. So which controls the amount of light? It is our iris. So which controls the amount of light? It is our iris. So what is the purpose of cornea? So it is front part of the eye is called cornea. So this front part is cornea, and this is shape is convex shape. This shape is called convex shape. And after this, a dark muscular structure. What is dark muscular structure? This is our dark muscular structure. This is iris. This is iris. And in the center of the iris, it is